The whole idea and concept of Pine Street Woods was how to get people outside. We had some surveys that were telling us that during the wintertime especially, 70% of children were not getting outside in a meaningful way. We are outside all the time and we love being outside, but for some people, just the fear of being out in the woods, that makes people uncomfortable. There's a lot of places in Sandpoint, many of our trails go straight up. And so for people that really need a gentle introduction to nature, those trails don't make it possible. 8 years ago, we approached the family that had this property and talked to them about the potential of Kaniksu Land Trust purchasing this with the help of our community, and so that we could keep it open for everybody that lives here, everybody that visits here, forever and ever.
So here we are. This is Pine Street Woods. This is a pretty incredible place. It's in Sandpoint. Well, technically Dover, but basically Sandpoint. And this is 180 acres so far, 19 miles of trail. You can come here, you can snowshoe, you can walk, you can hike, you can fat bike ride, you can cross-country ski. And it was the community of Sandpoint has banded together, and they've, through a land trust, bought this land. And they continue to add to it. And it's free. And it's just here for the community and to help people get outside and experience the winter.
Visit Scenic Idaho for yourself. For more information like where to stay and eat in North Idaho, check out our sponsor, visitnorthidaho.com.
I've been dialing my banana bread a lot this fall. But
we make sourdough banana bread too. That's good.
does it have to be aimed towards the light?
So if you have a flash, if you have a sensor on it, it says you're There are some days when it all comes together, the weather, the activity, the destination, and it's just perfect. And then there are days like this, when it just gets darker and darker and darker, and the sky is dwindling and the sun is dwindling. Days like this are challenging to be creative and to keep your energy up.
So here we are. This is Western Pleasure Guest Ranch. I think sometimes we forget that Idaho is the West. This is the Wild West. And this is an incredible place. So cozy, so comfy. Always a fire on. Just this huge lodge and cabins. Rooms upstairs, downstairs. There's a hot tub, there's billiards, there's kind of this lounge room, entertainment room. There's snowshoeing and sleigh rides, and coffee is always on, and this is real cool, especially in today's day and age. I think people are trying to get away more, kind of just hide away, camp out for their vacations, and this is the place to do it. To get off the grid, disappear for a while, and what a cool spot to do it. It's so unique. You know, I woke up this morning to the snowy mist and turkeys gobbling outside and a warm fire on the hearth and coffee ready to go. They actually use the same coffee from the coffee shop we visited here, Evans Brothers, which is a local spot down in Sandpoint. And this place is only 30 minutes from downtown Sandpoint, so you have everything that Sandpoint has to offer in terms of the outdoors, and a place like Pine Woods, and you can just pop back here and hide away in your very own dude ranch. I could just do that all day. Just sit by the fire, sip some coffee, play some cribbage, relax, and then go have a snowshoe or a sleigh ride when I feel like it.